So what is my favorite clean eating tip that I've learned while being on Fit, Fine, and Fabulous? Um, there's a few, but I guess my favorite clean eating tip is to use spices and vegetables when preparing foods. Eggs, for example. I take advantage of having vegetables with my eggs by adding spinach, onions, peppers, and don't forget with peppers to try all the different colors to add variety. But in order to keep my vegetable dishes exciting, I also add multiple different seasonings. And quite honestly, I learned that through Fit, Fine, and Fabulous and Coach Twy. So just like her, sometimes I want a bold taste and sometimes I want something simple. So fresh herbs, different spices can really enhance the taste and the flavor of any meal.